I'm enjoying my mail. I got a letter from Chris Fields, and he lives in Aberdeen, Aberdeen, Virginia. Is that how you would pronounce that? I've never heard of that little town. Abing, Abingdon. Abingdon. Anyway, Chris told me that he enjoys making during the week something hearty that's easy, but it'll fill him up. So he has sent me his recipe for ground beef and potato bake. Michael just got in from work. What time did they call you in this morning?
8.
Was
4.
It was 4. I was thinking it was like 2 or 3 o'clock. So he has come in to speak, but I think he's on his way to bed. Aren't you?
Yeah, I have to go in again.
What time?
Well, 4.
In the morning or this afternoon? Okay. Well, go hop in the bed and get you some sleep. Okay?
What you making?
I'm making Chris's hamburger and potato bake. Chris Fields from Virginia.
That sounds good.
I know it. It's just, he said he just craves comfort food once in a while. So, meat and potatoes, please don't let that be work. Tell them you can't come.
Hey.
That ain't work. He wouldn't say, hey. All right, so I got my hamburger meat in there. I'm going to add my onions. And I'm going to add my garlic.
All right, I'll try beef.
Okay, it is work. It is work. So,
Change.
it did. So what time you got to be in now?
And I got to do that at 3. So.
Okay, well, go hop in the bed. It'll take him a good while to go to sleep. I think it'll take him about 2 minutes. And he'll be snoring. Okay. Chris told me to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I love this tube of tomato paste, y'all, because usually, you know, it comes in those real small jars. I mean, cans, but sometimes I don't need but 1 or 2 tablespoons. So this, you can get just what you want out of it and save the rest. So that's great. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Paprika. Pepper. I'm going to do the pepper over here. And some salt. Okie dokie. Now I've got a cup of beef base. Whoa. And then we're going to pour this on top of our meat ingredients. Okie dokie. So now we're going to add this to our meat. This really is easy, Chris. Quick and easy. Weeknight dinner meal. Kind of reminds me of Hamburger Helper, you know, a little bit. Okay. So he says to simmer it for about 7 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to make a cream sauce to go on top of it. All right, so I'm going to add my heavy cream. My Dijon mustard. My sour cream. Oh, dadgummit. I think I did. All right, we're going to mix this up and we're going to put it in our saucepan. So he said to put that in the saucepan with a pinch of nutmeg and mustard, warm gently until smooth. Do not boil. Season with salt and pepper. Pour the sauce over the potatoes, top with white cheddar and then orange cheddar. Bake at 350 for 45 to 60 minutes until tender and golden. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. I love, love, love hearing from y'all, because I just wonder what y'all are doing out there. So don't ever hesitate to text me, and we will answer your text and get together through the computer. Okie doke. By the time this heats and the butter melts, and I can't forget my nutmeg. And from what Chris said, it's just, you just want a little. A lot of people use nutmeg in like crab stew or your bisque. You know, just a little bit. Little salt. Little pepper. Ooh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. All right. So I think it's safe us to go ahead and add our potatoes on top. Pour the sauce over the potatoes. And you'll want to slice your potatoes thin, because you don't want to bite into a raw potato, do you? So I'm just going to go ahead and lay these over our meat. There's nothing like meat and potatoes. I'm a happy girl. And let's see, how many potatoes did he say today? 4 medium potatoes sliced thin. Really depends on the size of your dish that you're going to be cooking them in. Because we got a lot of taters, and we want to make sure they get done. All right. That's it. All right, I'm going to put a light little salt on that. And a light touch of pepper. And now we're going to cut everything off. And we're going to pour this over our potatoes. Now, he said to top it with cheese, but I'm going to hold off on the cheese, y'all, because I don't like my cheese to be hard. I don't like it to get real hard. You know what I'm talking about, Teresa?
I do.
So I will do our cheese at the last minute. Last 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. All right, y'all, look at our casserole. And Chris said to put a layer of white cheese and a layer of yellow cheese. But look at here what you can find in your grocery stores. You can find it already mixed up for you. So you don't have to spend a ton on different cheeses. So we're going to melt that, and then when Michael Groover comes home at 8 o'clock, he's going to have supper. Look at this, Eden. How delicious does that look? Comfort food, straight comfort food. Oh my goodness. Never met a potato I didn't love. You know what? I've been on a kick of smashed potatoes.
Ooh, y'all.
They are so, oh, look at that. And y'all saw this was bubbling. So you know it's going to be hot as blue blazes. Pure comfort, y'all. Thank you, Chris. Y'all let me hear from you because I just love knowing what y'all, I'm nosy, I guess, because I love to know what y'all are doing out there. And Chris and I send y'all love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.